not aware whether it is released by Defence Ministry. As far as I am concerned, I don't see any indication that it is released by Defence Ministry. Some channels started showing it yesterday.
So what is your first reaction?
My reaction is what is shown is a very small part of the actual operation. And what is important is those people doubting Thomasis or those who are doubting about surgical strike. This is a right response to them that our armed forces can carry out this kind of operation successfully without any hesitation, and their bravery cannot be doubted.
Will opposition in Pakistan stop questioning now? Do you think they will stop questioning?
Opposition in Pakistan, I am not aware.
Opposition and Pakistan.
Pakistan, I am not aware. I will not comment on the Pakistan side of it. What we have carried out is a exercise which we carried out, for which I am also part of it. As far as opposition is concerned, they should gracefully accept the existence and the exercise carried out under surgical strike. Those who doubted that time, this is a proof enough.
Will they accept this? Will they deny this proof?
One who is in denial mode and one who does not understand the importance of national respect, like Congress party for example, they will go on defending their own doings or own comments earlier without realizing that they are actually acting against the national interest. This is not what the Congress which fought for the liberation or the independence of the country. This is a Congress which tries to defend its every statement as if it is a, as they call it, lakir on a rock. A permanent type of statement, whatever they made. They made a statement that's doubting the surgical strike that time. They should correct it. No harm done.
Few years back, Pakistan in opposition was questioning government on this.
I am not ready to comment on what Pakistan questioned.
Even opposition was questioning.
Pakistan actually never questioned. Pakistan did not comment on our claim on surgical strike. Obviously, they are not going to, either they have to accept it. If they accept it, then they have to retaliate against it. So they have their own limitations. Our opposition, some, not all, doubted. This is a adequate proof for them.
Last 2 years they are questioning, and then why government took 2 years to release?
I don't think government has released it. It has somehow some people may have managed to get a small bite of it. So that's all. Let it be shown why you are going into the issues of how it has come, why it has come. Elections, some people ask me about elections. Elections are quite far. So it's not exactly for the election. It has come. And like you get the scoop, you must have managed, the media must have managed to get the scoop from somewhere. It is there. Now at least the parties which doubted should correct themselves.
No, the Indian Defence Minister should actually come. Video,
I was Defence Minister that time. I can tell you that surgical strike had happened. It was reality. Indian Defence Forces themselves gave the press briefing. I do not think the armed forces will claim something which they have not done. The valor and the bravery of the armed forces is well known. So they have themselves told the media about this. See, the importance of this surgical strike was, one, obviously the credit goes to armed forces because it is their bravery which has made it success. But equally you cannot forget the political leadership of Prime Minister who took a firm decision to do it.
So basically you certify the video?
I have not certified the video. I am only certifying that the surgical strike took place.
But how do you look 1 year before the election?
1 year is a very long period. I don't think if someone wants to make advantage out of it, it would have got released 2 months prior to this.
So surgical strike has been a long, there have been debates a number of times in media and everywhere. What type of message do you feel that it tends to the
See,
voice?
basically it gave a signal to Pakistan that Indian armed forces and the Indian government is ready to cross the line of control and hit the enemy. That was very important. On number of occasions, the army does a cross-border small operations. Those are part and parcel of normal operations. But this was a well-planned, quite deep, 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers deep, and operation which was declared by government the moment it was over.
You actually monitored this entire operation.
I can't tell you the details of
What
what
was
we
your
did,
feeling
but I
that
can
time?
tell you this much, that we did take into consideration that if something goes wrong, there can be some other things which may happen. So we had taken into consideration all the aspects while planning. It is actually the firm political leadership of Prime Minister which allowed these operations to be carried out and proudly owned it also.
It should be a proud moment for you also that
Obviously.
time defense minister.
Obviously, because the micro planning was done by army, but the overall planning strategy was definitely partly by me, and of course the support of Prime Minister.
So you were the only defense minister was a technocrat, as in said. How do you look at the marginalizing the LOC which is there, and how many years it will take to actually?
I'll not go into those because that has nothing to do with surgical strike. Surgical strike was a proud moment for the nation, and it was a decision which actually indicated to our enemies that we are ready to take steps which are required for the security of this country.
Thank you.